Ano to?
Rehina.
Hi everyone! It's me again, Rehina, and for this video, we are going to do a mystery box unboxing. Yes!
What?
If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it para updated kayo tuwing meron akong uploads. Also, if you like hauls, online shopping, Lazada, Shopee, or whatever, definitely like this video. And comment below if you have any other video suggestions or if you liked this video. So, alam ko, tapos na ang 7/7. So, nakapag-check out na kayo ng mga nasa cart nyo. Pwede nyo i-purchase itong mystery box na to if ever magustuhan ninyo sa 8/8 sale next month. Let's hop into the video. This mystery box I purchased from M&M online store. If you are curious or if you want to check them out, I'll link their shop at the description box below. I bought this from Lazada. I ordered it July 1. Dumating siya today. It's July 8. So, ayun. Meron siyang 7 days or 1 week processing from the shop, from the online shop hanggang sa akin. So, yung pangalan niya ay Flash 3H Best Trendy Mystery Box Vlogger's Choice Best Mystery Box with chance to win brand new phones, gadgets, and mobile accessories. 10 for every 300 boxes. Ang haba. Nakakaloka siya. Anyway, so this is it. Let's see what's inside. Disclaimer, this unboxing video is not intended to brag.
No!
Hindi po ako nagmamayabang kung ano man ang meron dito sa mystery box na to. Actually, hindi ko siya may pagyayabang kasi mura lang siya. 289 pesos lang siya. Gusto ko lang sabihin na yung importance ng hauls is for you guys to have an overview of what the product and online shop offers. The importance of hauls is to make a review of the products mentioned before you make your purchase. So if this really encouraged you to buy the products mentioned, then good. If not, at least may idea kayo. This mystery box unboxing is not in any way sponsored. Binili ko po ito, binayaran ko po. So, hindi po siya binigay ng libre ng seller. But I will mention it, the M&M online store from Lazada. A few tips before I start opening the mystery box. Kapag nag-online shopping ako, I make sure na una, yung shop ay merong enough reviews na mababasa ko para medyo may idea ako sa masasabi ng ibang tao tungkol sa mga products nila and sa shop nila. Star rating, yun. Pangalawa, titignan ko yung number of products sold, kung marami o konti lang, kasi feeling ko mas trusted. Marami nang bumili ng product na yun, therefore, mas maraming makakapagbigay ng kanilang concerns or kanilang reviews about it. Pangatlo, price. Gusto ko ng mga bagay na makakatipid ako. So, kino-compare ko yung iba't ibang shops na may iba't ibang price noong product na yon. Lesser price, higher rating, then it is better. So, always look for the best option among the sellers kasi marami yan sila na nagtitinda ng mga specific products o ng isang particular na item. Minsan, chinachat ko rin yung seller para malaman kung very responsive ba sila kapag may inquiries ang kanilang customers. So, isa rin yun sa mga pinagbabasehan ko. Lastly, doon sa reviews section, tinitignan ko yung mga photos kasi doon makikita yung quality ng product and yung overall condition niya pagdating ng products. Kasi pwedeng nasa pagpapabaya ng packaging or nung J&T basketball. Hindi naman na problema o kasalanan ng seller, pero it is really na i-seal at i-package ng maayos ni seller bago niya ibigay sa kanyang courier. So, ayun lamang. I hope those tips helped you in your online shopping. Happy online shopping! So, let's start opening the mystery box. Ay! Ito, gamit tayo ng cutter. Actually, parang may ilang items. Hindi lang naman isa. Feeling ko medyo mas marami sa isa. So, So, ito, bubuksan natin. Carefully. Wait lang ah. There. Ang feeling ko very siya. Ah! Hala, kinakabahan ako. First time kong bumili ng mystery box. Marami namang klase ng mystery box. May mga pera, merong gadgets, merong accessories, merong makeup, merong even parang jewelries or ganon. Okay, so first, we are seeing ano to? Sandali, natanggal. Tingin ko ito yun. Ilalagay ko. Okay, wait lang. First item! First item is pinahirapan ako dito ba? Sandali.
First item na hindi niya magagamit.
First item na oo, hindi ko siya magagamit. So, clue is, hindi ko siya magagamit dahil hindi ako Android phone. I own an iPhone, so iOS. Okay, so siguro okay na. First item is this Samsung na high-speed original charger. Meron ng adapter and the cord. Okay, so ayan. Wala mang kay AJ mapupunta to kasi Android user siya. This is the first item. So tama ako. Hindi siya iisang item lang. So marami siyang laman. Next item, it's a high-speed card reader. Ayan! So meron tayong card reader na magagamit. Wow! This is useful. Kasi, pwede mo siya magamit sa pag nag-transfer ng files or
From memory card.
from memory card to your laptop. Okay, so inside, there is this little note from the online shop or the seller. It's from M&M online store. I thank you for the purchase of our product. Congratulations, you now have one raffle entry to our monthly raffle. Prizes to be won. First prize is the one brand new Android phone worth 5K. Second prize is 500 peso load, and the third prize is 100 peso load. Mechanics, give us a 5-star and positive seller ratings once you received your order. Okay, so may pagganong raffle pa pala siya once you buy one mystery box from them. So definitely join that raffle in Lazada para meron din tayong chance na manalo any of these prizes they have.
Well played.
Okay, for the last product inside this mystery box is, drumroll, an earphone. Okay, so it's Samsung Galaxy S10 earpods with remote and mic. So earphones, basically earphones. And okay, Samsung na naman. Samsung din yung charger. Pareho silang Samsung. And I think they look good naman. Feeling ko okay yung quality nito. So, let's open this one. Oo nga. Hindi kasi ako masyadong familiar sa Samsung products na ngayon. But I think maganda yung wire niya. Feeling ko maganda, no? Gusto ko i-try. Ita-try ko, tas papakitaan ko kayo ng review kung okay siya sa ears. Also the charger, if it's working, and the card reader, if it's working. Na-try namin ni AB sa laptop.
Yung laptop Samsung.
Ay, oo. Ang laptop namin Samsung din, so feeling ko, wala lang.
Matchy-matchy.
Share ko lang, matchy sila eh. Okay, so my verdict for this mystery box is 5 out of 5 stars. Okay, bakit? Kasi una, chinat ko si seller and they responded very quickly. Second, actually nag-expect ako na isa lang siya, dalawa, ganun. Pero I'm happy with the products inside. Tatlo, if they are all working, this is more than what I paid for. Okay, so sulit siya. Feeling ko, diba, at 289 pesos, charger, earphones, plus the card reader, sulit. Sulit na. Okay na, parang bawi na yung pera ko or even more. And may paraffol. I think that's the fourth point I want to share.
May pag-game.
Oo, parang they have something extra. They have something extra for their customers or buyers. If you want more prices, if you want extra, you can join their raffle sa kanilang online shop.
Extra.
Lastly, it came very quickly then. For me, 7 days is a reasonable time or time frame from ordering to delivering into my house. Okay, so if you happen to buy this mystery box from the same shop, please use the hashtag Rehina made me buy this. Tag me in Instagram or in Twitter. I'll definitely check them out. Hashtag Rehina made me buy this. If you're going to buy this, use the promo code charot, walang ganon. Pa ako sikat. This shirt that I'm wearing is from... Okay, so both working, yung left tsaka yung right. Psycho! Ang ganda! Hindi ko na naririnig. Kahit sarili ko, ikaw, hindi kita naririnig.
Dapat na.
Ganda! Yung earphones. Pwede pang whisper challenge to. As in, hindi ko maririnig yung ibang tao. Sumisigaw na ako kasi ang lakas niya talaga. Hindi ko na naririnig yung sarili ko.
Good.
That's the proof. Tiyatry ni AJ, yung charger, it is working. Definitely working. And maganda. Mukhang matibay. So, tatagal sa kanya yan.
Anong haba niya, guys?
Hindi ka nabibili sa bangketa. Congratulations!
No more na dun sa tig 50 pesos na connector, yung umiilaw pa.
Goodbye na rin sa CDR King na pagbili mo, dalawa yung naririnig mo. After 1 week, isa na lang yung bumubulong sa tenga mo. Kung may kwentong mystery box din kayo, please write them in the comment section below. Babasahin ko lahat ng mga kwentong mystery box ninyo at kung ano rin yung mga natanggap ninyo. And other descriptions about this product, kung anong color family o kung ano pang details, ilalagay ko sa description box below. Salamat sa pagsubaybay sa unboxing na naganap, opo. At sana may mga susunod pa tayong haul, so unboxing na maganap. At i-comment nyo kung ano yung mga iba pang online shop or mystery box na gusto ninyong gawan ko ng unboxing bago nyo bilhin. See you on my next video. Bye! Rehina out!